Simplifying your sentences, the power of adjective phrases. Hello learners! Welcome to our next adventure in the fascinating world of English grammar. Today, we're diving into a topic that will surely enhance your written and spoken English: adjective phrases. They're an incredible tool for making your sentences more concise and your language more efficient. So, let's unravel this mystery together. To start, let's answer the question: what are adjective phrases? An adjective phrase, sometimes known as an adjectival phrase, is simply a group of words that play the role of an adjective in a sentence. That means they describe, identify, or give more information about a noun or pronoun. For example, 1. In the sentence, "The cat with white fur is sleeping," with white fur, is an adjective phrase describing the cat. 2. In the sentence, "I am fond of chocolate cake," fond of chocolate cake, is an adjective phrase describing the pronoun I. An adjective phrase can be as simple as 2 words or extend to several words. They usually include an adjective as the head word and may include other words such as adverbs, prepositions, and their objects. Often in English, we use adjective clauses, a type of dependent clause that provides additional information about a noun or pronoun in the main clause. However, these can sometimes make our sentences a bit lengthy or complex. This is where adjective phrases come in handy. By reducing an adjective clause to an adjective phrase, we can maintain the same information while making the sentence more concise. Let's look at an example. 1. Adjective clause: "The girl who is wearing a blue dress is my sister." 2. Reduced to adjective phrase: "The girl wearing a blue dress is my sister." In the second sentence, we've taken the adjective clause, "who is wearing a blue dress," and reduced it to the adjective phrase, "wearing a blue dress." As you can see, the sentence is now shorter and more streamlined, yet it conveys the same meaning. The key to mastering adjective phrases is practice. Let's try with a few more examples. 1. Adjective clause: "The cake that is made by my mother is delicious." 2. Reduced to adjective phrase: "The cake made by my mother is delicious." Again, by reducing the adjective clause to an adjective phrase, we're able to simplify the sentence without losing any meaning. And there you have it. Now you know what an adjective phrase is and how it can be used to simplify your English sentences. Remember, an adjective phrase is a group of words that collectively work as an adjective, giving more information about a noun or a pronoun. By learning to reduce adjective clauses to adjective phrases, you can make your writing and speech more efficient and easy to understand. Thanks for joining us in today's lesson on adjective phrases. We hope it was useful. Keep practicing and happy learning.